welcome to my channel. I'm Mali and I'm getting straight to business here. No intro for this clean with me video. I was so anxious to start cleaning it as soon as I hit the record button because of how disgusting my bathroom looked. Here I am cleaning the water closet. I like to start cleaning in and around the toilet area first to cleaning my way out to the rest of the bathroom. I'm picking up all the junk that were laying around, put the bath mats in the washer. This is an absolute must, so when the bathroom is clean, I have fresh, clean mats. The towels get so dirty with dust and hair, so I like to sweep or vacuum before I get water everywhere from cleaning the shower and the bathtub. That way I can mop right after. Here's a perfect example of the many ways I use the magic eraser sponge. It truly makes it easy for me to remove tough residue, stains, and marks on glass or tile on the outside and inside of the shower that have been there for a while. But it doesn't stop there. I like to give it a good wax with Windex for the glass and Clorox wipes to clean the inside walls, shelves, and everything else. Q-tips to clean the inside of the shower drain hole filter, you know, the one that gets hair all in it. The Q-tips come in handy to getting it down there to clean out any gross built-up. And I'm wiping our products before placing them back on the shelves, and I am done with the shower. Now onto the bathtub. I'm wiping off dust on the shelf, and I continue to wipe off the rest of the bathtub. A lot of dust tends to accumulate on this area, so there was a ton of dust to the point where I had to water it down and make it a easier cleanup for me. Oh my gosh, look at that mess I brought upon myself. I'm putting everything away and not necessarily to its right place. At this point, I'm tired, I was fasting, and I just wanted to finish cleaning the bathroom. That was the goal. So maybe I'll leave the organizing for another video. After clearing up everything, now it's time for the mirror and counter to get a much needed wipe down. As you can see, I like to keep the cleaning products simple to a minimum, such as the Windex cleaner, antibacterial wipes, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and liquid Clorox for heavy-duty cleaning. That's literally all I need. Comment down below and let me know of your favorite cleaning products. I just remembered why I like to use antibacterial wipes rather than a multi-cleaning surface spray with a towel, and that's because I like the idea of throwing away the wipe I just cleaned with instead of reusing the same one. It may or may not change in the future, but that's just what's working for me right now. This time around, I'm doing something new. I'm using this clear acrylic tray to place my husband's stuff on there since he likes to keep some of his essentials on the side of his sink. Another new thing I did was add this pretty glass soap dispenser I bought on Amazon. Look out for the link to it if you are interested, but I thought this will give it a more aesthetic look instead of using plastic hand wash that will start to look ugly over time. Just quickly spraying Lysol antibacterial spray to give the bathroom a fresh, nice smell, and it seriously smells so good. Changing out the trash here and finishing off mopping the floor. I love using the Swiffer Jet Wet. It makes mopping such a breeze. The cleaning has come to an end and it feels so good. I want to thank you for watching and being here. I hope it motivated you to clean whatever you have going on. If you enjoyed this video or this type of content, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.